Good morning, class. Today we are going to do question number 3 and 4 of exercise 4.5. Okay, sum number 3 is draw a rectangle with adjacent sides of lengths 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Firstly, let's draw a rough figure without any measurements. Let's draw a figure. So this is a rectangle. Okay, this is only rough figure. In the question, name of the rectangle is not mentioned, so you can take any name for this rectangle, A, B, C, D. Suppose this is A, B, C, D. Okay, and the adjacent sides of the rectangle are 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So let us take AB 5 centimeters and BC 4 centimeters. Adjacent side, these two sides are adjacent sides. Okay, opposite side means AB and CD, AD and BC. These are the opposite sides, and adjacent side means there is one common point. Okay, when the two sides have one common point, we say that these two sides are adjacent. So AB and BC, these two sides are the adjacent side, and we have taken 5 centimeter and 4 centimeter on them. Now there's a property in rectangle that opposite sides have same measure. If this is 4 centimeters, this side is also 4 centimeter, and if AB is 5 centimeters, the opposite side of AB, that means DC, this is also 5 centimeters. Now we are having measurement of 4 sides of this quadrilateral. Okay, but I told you in the beginning that we need at least 5 measurements. So what can be the fifth measurement? You know that all the angles of rectangle are of 90 degree. All the 4 angles make 90 degree. Okay, but we need just one angle. Let's start the actual figure now with proper measurement. AB is 5 centimeters, so we'll draw a line segment of 5 centimeter length. This is a line segment 5 centimeters. Name it AB. I have used a pen here to make it visible, but you are not allowed to use pen for drawing the figure. Okay, draw the figures using pencil only. AB is 5 centimeters. Now at point A, an angle of 90 degrees to be made, and there were so many questions where we have made 90-degree angles, and I hope you all know the process. Firstly, draw an arc of any measure, and then keeping the radius same, draw another arc, and then one more arc. Okay, after that, from this arc and this arc, you need to draw 2 more arcs which intersect each other. So these are the 2 arcs intersect each other, and then join them. You will get an angle of 90 degrees. Okay, so this is 90-degree angle, mention that. After that, the line segment that is making 90 degree, that is 4 centimeters. It is given in the question. Okay, means this line segment should be 4 centimeters. So this time open your compass equals to 4 centimeter radius. Measure it from the scale. Now this is 4 centimeter distance on compass. Put your compass tip on A point and then draw an arc. Okay, this arc will become point D. This point D is 4 centimeter from point A. That means this distance AD is 4 centimeters. Okay, now we know that from point B there should be a line segment of 4 centimeters. So I'll draw an arc of 4 centimeters from point B. From B point, draw an arc of 4 centimeters. Okay, now from point D, the distance of D and C is 5 centimeters. So measure 5 centimeter from the scale and then from D point draw an arc. Okay, so where the two arcs intersect each other, this becomes the point C, and now join them. So this is the required rectangle ABCD, where all these angles are 90 degrees. This is 5 centimeters, this is 4 centimeters, the opposite side is also 4 centimeters, and this is 5 centimeters. Okay,